Hi friends, welcome to Code Hub. Today's session is tuples in Python. And what is tuple? A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Actually, list is a changeable and tuple is unchangeable. In Python, tuples are written with round brackets like this. Some example, tuple equal to bus, car and bike. We will see some examples in Jupyter Notebook. Just give some heading. Tuple data type. Just give some tuple data. Tuple equals to, in the bracket, in the round bracket, we have to give double quotations, like give some data. Apple, comma, banana, comma, like cherry, and print tuple values. Yes, there we go, in the round brackets. Access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square bracket. We have tuple data. In the tuple data, we need to see the index value. Tuple 0 value should be apple. The index value should be starts with 0. So tuple 0 sub tuple index 0 value should be apple, and tuple index value negative index value -2 is equals to banana. The negative value starts with backside to front. It will starts with index value 1. 1 is cherry and 2 is banana. The next one is range of indexes. You can specifying a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the range value will be a new tuple with the specified items. It means you want to specify value or index value to starts, and specifying the index value should be end. For example, we have tuple values. I want to print only banana value. Should I have to use arranging, like tuple, it should be start with 0 and 1. 1 to 2, 1 to 2. It will print only banana. Let's see it. Yes, what is happen in index value 1 is banana. Index value 1 will be started, and the index value second one is not printed there. The before the index value 2 should be printed here. The next one, joining two tuples by using plus operator. Let's see it. We have to create two tuple values. Tuple 1 is equals to S or H, and the next tuple 1 CSK, and the next tuple 1 Mumbai Indians, and the tuple 2 values, and the next team should be RCB, and the next tuple should be Rajasthan Royals, and the next tuple should be KKR. we have to add by using plus operator. How? Tuple 3 will be created and adding tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Just print the tuple value 3. Print tuple 3. Yes, all 6 values should be combined. And next we have to check the length of the given tuple. We have to check length function and tuple 3. Just check it. It's lengthing of the tuple value, and we have to check if tuple will be deleted or not, just using del function. Del tuple 3. Let's check it. Tuple 3. Yes, it will be deleted. The name is not defined. It means it deleted from the databases. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.